Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, looking at some new data, and the one change that I would make to the forecast would be to add some snow and rain showers to Friday night. Friday day looks fine, and even Friday night. It's not a storm, but mixed precipitation on Friday night. In the meantime, no precipitation, rain or snow. We are dry. There's some pictures down in Narragansett, and we've noticed the wind is just a little gustier still along the south shore this evening. It is producing wind chills, not extreme, but the breeze does make it feel a little colder right now. In Warwick, 39, but the wind chills have been running in the upper 20s to low 30s. But the gusty wind that we had today, north-northwest, it's just reinforcing dry air, so it means that we're not getting any additional heavy rain, at least in the short term. So we'll keep things relatively quiet, and then we'll introduce some of those scattered showers Friday night. But the threat tracker now through Friday, low-level green, and again Friday day should be on the dry side before we get a little moisture in by Friday night. But the weather headlines, the wind will be gusty again for tomorrow afternoon, so one more blustery day, looking at gusts between 25 and 35, though less wind coming up on Friday. Saturday is a transition day. It's kind of half and half. The daylight hours look fine. We'll go from sunshine to clouds. We'll bring in some rain, though, by Saturday night into at least Sunday morning and perhaps even early Sunday afternoon. That's the next round of rain for not all, but a portion of the upcoming weekend. Snow showers and squalls upstate New York and in the mountains of northern New England. The rainstorm we had earlier in the week, it's parked right up in here in Nova Scotia, and it's producing the gusty breezes. So this will kick up our wind again for tomorrow afternoon, though it will be a sunny day, more in the way of sunshine tomorrow than what we had today. And while temperatures are cool across the Northeast, nothing really extreme or bitter, just what you would expect for late November, early December. Getting real close and walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening. Watch the clock go by as we take you through the overnight. We're clear and cold by 7 o'clock in the morning, starting off at around 36. And then throughout the afternoon, there's plenty of sunshine. Now, the temperature will top out at 44, but at times it may feel 10 degrees cooler because of the gusty wind. That's the only downside with tomorrow's weather. Rather windy, but otherwise dry. Your Thursday evening, Thursday night looks fine under clear skies. By 11 o'clock, the temperature down to 35. Take it through hour by hour tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. starting off at 34. Plenty of sunshine at 9 a.m., 38, but the wind is picking up. And by 11 o'clock in the morning, 42, bright, windy, and cold. And that's the theme hour by hour through tomorrow afternoon. Notice temperatures will top out mid-40s around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. A good deal of sunshine and clear skies right through tomorrow evening, but on the chilly side. 7-day forecast. Tomorrow night looks fine. We've been talking about the West Warwick tree lighting on Main Street near the gazebo tomorrow evening. It's been rescheduled to tomorrow night. The weather looks fine for that with temperatures in the mid-30s. Your weekend starts off dry, but we bring in the rain again Saturday night into at least Sunday morning, and then perhaps cold enough next week come Tuesday and Wednesday for a combination of both cold rain and some wet snow. But overall dry next couple of days, just blustery tomorrow.
All right, we'll be prepared. Thanks, Tony. And up